Hello my love, and a big warm welcome to this low impact workout. We're going to be down on the mat for the whole session, and if you do have some ankle weights, then you can use them for this session as well. I'm going to really quickly take you through the exercise and then we're going to dive right in. So first one we're going to be on all fours, making sure that belly button's pulled up into the spine and you've got a straight line between the top of your head and your tailbone. Shoulder over wrist, hips over knees. Extending one leg back and using the glute to lift it up, one arm out. We're going to take a little lat squeeze and out. Lat squeeze and out. So you're really using this lat, which is your big muscle here in your back. Just squeeze it in and then extend, and don't drop this leg the whole time. We're going to do it on each side, 40 seconds. Then we're going to do little rainbow kicks. Over the top in a big arch like a rainbow, keeping a very straight leg and not using the lower back or flinging at all. We're really engaging the glute to bring it up and over. Now we're going to use the upper body in our little mini push-up. So my hands are facing forwards, my elbows are coming back at about a 45-degree angle, and I've got a short space between my hands and my knees. I'm going to take a little nosedive down and then push up. Don't worry if yours is not very low right now, you can build up on it. If you want to take it a bit wider, it's a little bit easier for you as well. Then we are going to do a little thruster. Kneeling thruster, arms come up and we pull down, squeezing in that lat again. So really squeezing those elbows into your waist, making sure you've engaged the glutes, you've engaged the quads, engaged the tummy, and then back down again. Squeeze and down. Amazing. We've got 3 rounds, no rest between rounds or exercises. Let's get cracking. Okay, let's go. So we've got a nice tight tummy, nice strong glute, straight knee, and we're coming with that nice lat squeeze. So really squeezing that elbow towards your waist and keeping everything nice and strong. Make sure your head's in line and don't forget to breathe. My head is spinning. I see you rapping about. I'm sure as hell not. Okay, let's take this on the other side now. So make sure your hips are level, tummy's tight, head's in line, and really squeeze that big lat muscle. Well done. Okay, moving into our next move, we've got this little rainbow kick. So you are going up and over with a nice straight leg, using the glute, so moving from the hip. Make sure you don't bend your lower back too much, so keep your tummy pulled in nice and tight. Flies by so fast, still I'm thinking of you. Do you remember still? Okay, let's go on the other side. Here we go. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skinny dipping like we're on a home run. Got no worries, no, 'cause we're so young. We were so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Had no worries, no. We were so young. Now you're long gone. Fabulous. Okay, we're going to go into our little mini push-ups now. We're giving our legs a rest and we are using our upper body. So you're going to feel like you're taking a nosedive. Go as low as you can, keep that weight forward, elbows back.
I'm thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away.
Okay, time to use those lats as we squeeze those elbows down our back. Bring ourselves up into line and squeeze those glutes as much as you can. Tummy's in tight and everything should be working. If you don't feel it working, squeeze some more stuff.
If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless.
Well done. We are back to the top of this circuit now. Squeezing that elbow back, making sure the tummy's tight, using the glute to keep your leg up and everything in line.
Wordless.
Well done. Let's go on the other side. Opposite arm to leg. Here we go.
If I could speak up, then maybe you would hear, or maybe the tension could disappear. I'll give it a shot, a whisper in your ear. At least for a moment you would be near. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry.
And we're in with our little rainbow kicks, rainbow leg extension. Make sure that knee is straight and you're using the glute.
Moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless.
Great job. Here we go. Let's go on the other side. Keep that tummy tight so you don't arch your back.
I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless.
Time to work our upper body now with that little mini push-up. Make sure you don't arch your back in this one and keep your head in line. Push that floor away and let's get you feeling nice and strong.
Is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild.
Okay, here we go with our kneeling thruster and squeezing those elbows in for our lat activation. Amazing work. Here's our third and final round. Strong position on all fours, opposite arm to leg, and off we go.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Well, colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can be the victim.
Okay, let's switch sides. You've totally got this. Keep it nice and strong. Don't let that foot drop down.
Storm within your broken bones. And be wild, 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 wild.
Yes, come on, last time with these little rainbow leg extensions, making that gorgeous arch, painting that beautiful rainbow behind you with your foot, and basically anything that keeps you going and gets that glute working.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay.
Okay, switch it over. You're doing so well. Remember to keep everything tight. Tighten the tummy and the core, glute tight, and head in line. You've got this.
Give you all though. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, your medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you.
It's mini push-up time. Here we go, as low as you can, and push that floor away. Breathe out as you push away and really try to increase your strength.
You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still, your medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you.
All right, last exercise of this little session. Here we go, squeezing down as you kneel up. Squeeze the elbows down as you squeeze the glutes forward.
Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do?
Okay, almost there, just a couple of seconds left. Get the most out of this movement. Let's squeeze those last few reps out.
Just to put me out
You
again.
are amazing.
Yeah, I need it.
Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. And if you enjoyed this low impact style workout, then you will enjoy some very special projects that I have coming up next. If you want to be the first to know when I release these projects, then make sure you click on the link in the description and join the waiting list, and then I will tell you. But watch this space, and I will see you in the next workout or the next podcast. Have a wonderful day.
Always losing control.